Are you still studying the old way? Technology and AI can help you study smarter, faster, and better, not harder. Old study habits versus smart technology learning. Relying on memorization and rereading causes confusion and slower progress. Using technology boosts speed, accuracy, and understanding for better results. Smarter studying with technology and AI. Learn how to organize your study, discover top AI tools, and explore how generative AI transforms education.
Introduce the infographic titled Top 7 AI Tools for Smarter Study, highlighting the best AI-powered tools every student should know. Discover 7 essential AI tools enhancing student study efficiency and creativity. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot used to summarize chapters, explain tough topics, and create quick revision notes. Notion AI manages study materials, timetables, and reminders all within one digital notebook. Grammarly aids in improving English writing by correcting grammar and making assignments error-free. Quizlet features AI-generated flashcards and practice tests, helping students learn quickly. Google Lens and Socratic scan questions and offer explanations via videos and step-by-step solutions. Canva Magic Studio assists students in designing presentations, infographics, and school projects rapidly with AI. Speechify and 11 Labs convert study notes into audio, allowing students to listen on the go. Explore these AI tools to study smarter and improve your learning experience. Struggling to keep up with your studies effectively? Wouldn't it be amazing to streamline your learning process? Combining AI tools can enhance your study routine and boost your productivity. A comprehensive suite of AI-driven tools that help you plan, learn, and retain knowledge seamlessly. From scheduling to revision, StudyMate covers it all. How it works. You start by planning your week using intuitive calendar tools. Engage with ChatGPT for clarifying complex topics. Create vibrant notes and flashcards for better understanding. Utilize voice conversion for auditory learning. Track your progress effortlessly with integrated analytics. Plus, access insights tailored for you to stay organized. With StudyMate, you'll benefit from streamlined study schedules that fit your life, interactive learning that adapts to your pace, revisions on the go for maximum efficiency, durable outputs that keep your materials safe, significantly reduces the stress of disorganization, encourages consistency and habit formation, enhances retention through diverse learning styles,